Welcome to Maui, Hawaii, one of the best paddleboarding destinations in the world. Let's dive into what makes this island an ideal paradise for paddleboarding enthusiasts. Maui is renowned for its stunning beaches and crystal clear waters, creating the perfect backdrop for paddleboarding adventures. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced paddler, this island offers a diverse range of opportunities. For beginners, Maui's calm bays provide a gentle introduction to paddleboarding. You can easily find protected areas with minimal waves, allowing you to comfortably explore the island's coastal beauty. One of the highlights of paddleboarding in Maui is the chance to paddle alongside sea turtles. In Makena, you'll encounter these majestic creatures gracefully swimming beneath your board, creating a truly magical experience. Now, if you're an experienced paddler seeking a thrilling challenge, head to Ho'okipa Beach. This renowned surf spot offers waves perfect for paddleboarding. Feel the rush as you ride the waves and showcase your skills in this exciting environment. Another must-visit destination for paddleboarders is the famous Honolua Bay. With its breathtaking natural beauty, this bay provides a unique paddleboarding experience. Navigate through vibrant coral reefs, admire the lush surroundings, and immerse yourself in the tranquility of this hidden gem. As the day winds down, there's nothing quite like paddleboarding during Maui's magical sunsets. Watch as the sky transforms into a tapestry of vibrant colors while gliding along the calm waters, creating memories that will last a lifetime. Maui offers a paddleboarding paradise, from its stunning beaches to the diverse range of experiences it provides. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, this island will captivate you with its beauty and exhilarating paddleboarding opportunities.